Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today we will discuss about some problems depend on your book from page number 71 and 72. My dear student, your question is 22 and 1 upon 2 divided by 9 upon 4. As you are looking 22 and 1 upon 2, this is mixed fraction. So this mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. How? Look here. How will you convert mixed fraction to improper fraction? Now look here. This is 22 and 1 upon 2. So what will you do? 22 multiplied by 2, 22 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2, 22 to the 44 plus 1 upon 2, it will give to you 45 upon 2. So 22 and 1 upon 2 is mixed fraction, and this fraction converted to improper fraction. This is 45 upon 2. Okay, so 22 upon 2 we will write in the form of 45 upon 2 divided by 9 upon 4. 45 upon 2, in place of division sign we will put up the multiplication sign, and multiplicative inverse of 9 upon 4 is 4 upon 9. Then after we will apply the cancellation procedure. As you are looking, 45 is in numerator, 2 is in denominator, 4 is in numerator, 9 is in denominator. So what will you do? 4 cancellation by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. It is 9 1 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45. After cancellation there will be some numbers. As you are looking, 5 into 2 divided by 1 into 1. 5 2 ja 10 upon 1. It will give to you 10. Answer is 10. The meaning is the answer of the question is 10. Okay, your required answer is 10. Your second question is in the form of word problem. Now look here. Hema needs 2 and 1 upon 4 meter of cloth to stitch a skirt. Okay, how many skirts can be stitched with 18 meter of cloth? My dear student, these questions depend on the unitary method. Now look here. Your question is out of 2 and 1 upon 4. Out of 2 and 1 upon 4 meter of cloth, Hema stitch 1 skirt. Okay, out of 2 and 1 upon 4 meter of cloth, Hema stitch 1 skirt. So according to question, out of 18 meter of cloth, out of 18 meter of cloth, Hema will stitch. Now look here, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4 into 18. Okay, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4 is mixed fraction, and a mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. How? Look here. This is 2 and 1 upon 4. So what will you do? 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 4. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 upon 4. 8 plus 1, it will give to you 9 upon 4. Okay, 9 upon 4. In place of 2 and 1 upon 4, we can write 9 upon 4. So 1 upon 9 upon 4 into 18. Then after, what will you do? In place of 1 upon 9 upon 4, 4 will go to the numerator. 4 will go to the numerator. So it will take the place 4 upon 9 into 18. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. After cancellation, there will be some numbers are there. 4 into 2. 4 into 2, it will give to you 8. The meaning is 8 skirt. So your answer is, out of 18 meter of cloth, out of 18 meter of cloth, Hema will stitch how many skirts? That is 8 skirt. Your required answer is 8 skirts. Okay. Now your next question is, these questions depend on your book from page number 72. Your question is, the cost of 3 and 1 upon 3 L. L stand for liter. The cost of 3 and 1 upon 3 liter of petrol is rupees 240. Find the cost of 1 liter of petrol. So my dear student, according to question, the cost of 3 and 1 upon 3 liter of petrol is rupees 240. So the cost of 1 liter of petrol will be, all these questions depend on the unitary method. So 240 divided by 3 and 1 upon 3. 240 we can write in the form of 240 upon 1. This is division. 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 upon 3. 3 and 1 upon 3 is mixed fraction, and mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. So 3 and 1 upon 3 we can write 10 upon 3. Okay, then after, it is 240 upon 1. In place of division sign, we will apply the multiplication sign, and multiplicative inverse of 10 upon 3 is 3 upon 10. Okay, then after we will apply the cancellation procedure. 0 cancel by 0. 24 into 3 upon 1 into 1. 24 3 ja 72. Your answer is rupees 72. The meaning is, the cost of 1 liter of petrol will be rupees 72. Okay. My dear student, your next question is, the product of two numbers is 11 and 1 upon 4. If one of the number is 4 and 1 upon 8, then find the other number. So what will you do? According to question, the product of two number, the meaning is, first number into second number, it will give to you 11 and 1 upon 4. According to question, the product of two number is 11 and 1 upon 4. So first number into second number, it will equal to 11 and 1 upon 4. Your first number is 4 and 1 upon 8. 4 and 1 upon 8 into second number equal to 11 and 1 upon 4. After arranging the numbers, we will find out the second number. So second number, it will give to you 11 and 1 upon 4 divided by 4 and 1 upon 8. 11 and 1 upon 4 divided by 4 and 1 upon 8. 11 and 1 upon 4, this is the mixed fraction, and mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. it will give to you 45 upon 4 divided by 4 and 1 upon 8 is mixed fraction. After converted to improper fraction, it will give to you 33 upon 8. Then after 45 divided by 4, in place of division we will apply the multiplication sign, and multiplicative inverse of 33 upon 8 is 8 upon 33. Then after we will apply the cancellation procedure. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 11 3 ja 33 and 15 3 ja 45. After cancellation, some numbers will be there. 15 into 2 divided by 1 into 11. 15 2 ja 30 divided by 11 1 ja 11. This is your required answer, but this answer is incomplete. That's why 30 upon 11 is improper fraction, and improper fraction converted to mixed fraction. How? We apply the division procedure. Now look here, 30 divided by 11, it will give to you 11 2 ja 22. After subtraction, it will give to you 8. 8 is remainder. So 30 upon 11 we can write in the form of 2 and 8 upon 11. Your required answer is 2 and 8 upon 11. Okay, so according to question, your second number is 2 and 8 upon 11. It is the required answer of the given question. Okay, my dear students, all these questions depend on your book from page number 71 and 72. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.